Hey guys, so a quick video for you to be aware of the reasons why you shouldn't get a Xiaomi TVS Pro Mini LED for 2026 version, like the pros and cons. So the brightness is great. Also, sound too. You have Google TV with all like the other apps, so that's great. And you got like Metal X, so that's great too. And even like using for PC, you can do it if you want to. But what about the cons? So first thing first is that like the HDR content, so the HDR10 or Dolby Vision, and is not that effective. Same with Dolby Vision gaming. And also you would have to like set up the core accuracy. That's another thing. The image processing is not the greatest. So when something's like lower resolution. And also the Google TV sometimes can shutter. This is something that I found out. And that's pretty much it. So I mean, it's not a bad thing, but to be aware that some things is like, for example, with the dark scenes, and it's like for dark scenes, the TV is not that effective. So that's another thing to be aware of. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day.